Have you ever noticed how every new iPhone announcement sparks the same meme? People joking that Apple just re-released the same phone with a new number. And honestly, they are not completely wrong. The iPhone has not seen a major redesign since 2017, that is 8 long years of the same look. But here is where things get really interesting. For the iPhone 17 Pro, Apple might finally be making a bold move, and the inspiration is coming from an unexpected place: Google's Pixel. Yes, you heard that right. The Pixel, the phone that has often been called the iPhone of Android, is now inspiring Apple itself. And this could turn out to be Apple's smartest decision in years. Let's rewind for a second. Last year, Apple leaned heavily on artificial intelligence features to sell the iPhone 16. The problem? Many of those flashy features never shipped. Apple ended up promoting promises instead of real value, which disappointed a lot of buyers. Since then, the company has quietly shifted focus toward things like liquid glass language for iOS, but the damage was done. Meanwhile, Google's Pixel series, while far from perfect, has become the face of smartphone innovation. Its design stands out. Its artificial intelligence tools are powerful, and slowly but surely, it has been winning recognition. Pixel phones may not deliver the most polished experience compared to Samsung or Apple, but they are bold, and that boldness is paying off. Here's the twist: Apple seems ready to swallow its pride and redesign the iPhone 17 Pro to resemble the Pixel 10. At first, that sounds like copying, but really, it is strategy. Think about it. Many Pixel buyers today are actually former iPhone owners. They wanted something fresh, something that stood out, and the Pixel gave them that. By moving the iPhone's design closer to Pixel's bold look, Apple could stop that slow leak of users and maybe even win some back. It is like Apple is pulling a reverse card in a game of taking back the uniqueness it once had by borrowing from a competitor. But here is where Apple has the real chance to shine. Google has been leaning almost entirely on artificial intelligence. The problem is, artificial intelligence has not exploded the way everyone predicted. Some even say the artificial intelligence bubble is already bursting. That is a weakness Apple can exploit. Instead of making the iPhone 17 Pro all about artificial intelligence, Apple can focus on the things that really matter to people: better hardware, smarter thermal performance, a refreshed interface, and a design that looks new again. The Pixel 10 has shown us that software alone is not enough. No amount of clever tricks can make up for weak hardware. And Apple knows hardware better than anyone. So picture this: an iPhone that finally looks different, borrowing some of the Pixel's appeal, but packing Apple's signature polish, stronger hardware, and a cleaner experience that could attract Pixel fans who like the design but want more reliability, and at the same time, remind longtime iPhone owners why they fell in love with Apple in the first place. For years, Apple has been criticized for playing it safe. But if this redesign happens, it marks a fresh start, away for Apple to re-energize the iPhone and shake off the boredom of the last decade. So, what do you think? Is Apple smart for borrowing design inspiration from Google's Pixel, or is this a sign that the company has lost its creative edge? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because I think this could be the most divisive iPhone redesign yet. And if you enjoy following how tech rivals influence each other, make sure you hit like and subscribe. I'll keep bringing you the stories behind the devices we all use.